Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by installing Outlook and granting the app permissions so it can sync mail, calendar, and attachments. You'll sign in with your email. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the prompts to authenticate. Once done, Outlook will begin an initial sync. This may take a few minutes depending on mailbox size. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable. Otherwise, wait for full sync on Wi-Fi to avoid using too much cellular data. Now you're ready to open the inbox. Next, tailor sync and display so Outlook works the way you want. Go into Settings to choose Sync Period and which folders to keep offline. Set push notifications for important mail only. Enable Focused Inbox to surface priority messages and customize swipe actions to archive, delete, or snooze quickly. Connect cloud storage to attach large files without downloading, and make sure Calendar Sync is enabled so meeting invites appear on your phone. These steps reduce clutter and speed daily workflow. Finish by adopting a simple routine. Triage new mail with quick swipes, use search and filters for old messages, and flag or schedule follow-ups. When composing, attach files from cloud storage and add a mobile signature for professionalism. If something goes wrong, sign out and back in first. Then check account credentials, app permissions, and network connection. If sync still fails, clear the app cache or reinstall Outlook. These final checks solve most issues, so you stay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.